Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video we will learn about Honeypot token, how to create it. So let's first find a smart contract that we can get for free. We write here how to create Honeypot token and we get many of results. Here is a website ethercodeinnovation.com. We will click on it and this website offer Honeypot smart contract. Let me clear before starting this video, if you are trying to scam people, you will must become a victim of scam. So please, in the world of crypto, avoid scamming with people, otherwise you will be must be scam. Now let me explain how this honeypot token scam works, how this people, this code and this website, how it's scamming with the people. This website offer smart contracts, honeypot smart contracts, where you can get free code and uh, deploy it. What happen when you deploy this free source code of a honeypot token? Let me explain about honeypot token, a smart contract where a user can buy tokens and cannot sell or even have hidden functionality where the owner of the smart contract can fake renounce ownership and then later they can mint the token and pull out the liquidity. There is many way to trap people. So this kind of smart contracts called honeypot token. Let me copy this code and we will test it here. Create a new file and we will paste it here, and let me ask from AI about this smart contract. I know this smart contract is uh, um, trapping people because this function is the mint function of the this smart contract. This is the modifier, and let me show you the scammer wallet address. Okay, here is this function, static slot ID, and then this function called in other function. If we see here a long comment, we think this code is not executing, but here is the address is converted into decimals. Okay, this address is converted into decimals like u and 16, and then they will later change this contract sorry address. Okay, now this function calling here. Okay, and we also check this function. Okay, also okay, you can see here is the modifier and this function modifier calling here. What happening here? Okay, we also can check this configure function, and here is option mint tokens. Okay, here we can see the function configure account amount, and this is the increasing the supply like minting new tokens. Also we can ask from the AI, kindly explain about this smart contract. Okay, so there is many false function like a user can be confusing the users who deploy, but what happen is actually when you deploy this token and the owner now when you deploy this token they will get this smart contract address and it will come and this guy also have the ownership of the smart contract. When you add the liquidity, this scammer just mint the token and pull out the liquidity. So when you try to scam with the other people you also get scam. So be carefully when you take this kind of codes from the any untrusted websites.